Hello friends, my name is Tarun and welcome to my channel Tech Diaries. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to keep yourself updated on the latest technology videos from around the world. Now, as you can see, the background of my video has changed. I've traveled to India from Sweden for Diwali, and as part of this Diwali, I wanted to gift something to this channel. A lot of people have said that the video quality is okay, but the audio quality is really bad. So I wanted to give this channel a new piece of tech, and today we are going to unbox that piece of tech. So let's go. So the gear that I'm using right now is a Canon EOS 600D camera along with a Rode Mic Go. The usual setup includes a Nikon 5200D along with the same Rode Mic Go. I wanted to have something better in terms of voice quality, so I went with this Boya mic. Now let's unbox this. This costed me close to about 1095 rupees on the Flipkart sale, and a lot of people have been using this. So I think that's all in the box content. Some paperwork. I don't know, I'll need it. Again, some notice and a carrying case for the mic. And now the first packet includes a converter to a bigger jack, a lapel mic holder. I think so, if you can place it on your shirt, the same mic, and a dead cat for your mic. And I think so, that's it. The mic, a battery, that's all. Now this mic has quite good reception. It has close to about 20 feet long cable and can cover most of the distances. So let's unwrap the mic. As you can see, the wire is too long. The battery goes in here. This way. The only problem that I was facing with the Rode Mic Go, since it's a directional mic and now I've gone with the lapel mic, the directional mic was giving me a bit of problem in my Nikon 5200D. As many of you know that the Nikon cameras are not really that great in autofocus while shooting videos, so I feel this would do the job for me. And I'll give you a sample. Now the battery of these things can last up to close to 6 months to a year, depending on your usage. I think depending on my usage, when I release a video every week, this would last me really long. Don't mind the background noise, since this is post Diwali, so you'll hear a lot of background noises. I'll just install the dead cat onto the lapel mic, and this is my lapel mic holder. Yeah, that's how it is. And this jack will go inside the DSLR camera. Let's give it a sound check. Now this is the sample for the Canon EOS 600D, and you can hear my voice. This is how this audio would sound without any mic. This is the internal mic of Canon EOS 600D. Now I have just switched to the Rode Mic Go, and this is the audio quality with Rode Mic Go. The sound is okay. It's a unidirectional sound. It won't pick any sound from your back, but it would pick up sounds from the autofocus of the lens. Since I'm using the base lens within Canon and Nikon both, the autofocus sound is too clicky and it disturbs a lot of my videos while shooting. Now this is the sample for the lapel mic which I'm using right now. I feel the lapel mic is the thing to go for. It has a really long wire. I think I can cover a majority of it wherever I go. But on the go for travel purposes, I'll still end up using the road bike Go. But for all my videos where I do the tech reviews, I unbox things, I'll still be going with the lapel bike. I think lapel bike is the thing to go for. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. And do let me know in the comment section below what tech I should review next. This is Tarun. Happy Diwali, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.